Good morning, students. Welcome back to online class of computer. I hope you all are safe and enjoying this festive month. So, let's start our new lesson. Lesson number 6, paragraph formatting in Word. In previous chapter, you studied how to start Word, how to format text by using different fonts and colors, and by making text bold, italic, and so on. Here in this lesson, you will study how to format text in paragraph. So, first we'll study how to do line spacing, paragraph spacing, alignment, indenting text, formatting text with tab stops, bullet and number list. So let's start with line spacing. You can set the space between the lines of a paragraph. If the line spacing is less, the text appears tight and is difficult to read. Increasing the line spacing makes the text easier to read but takes up more space on the page. So you know that line space is the amount of vertical space between the line of text in a paragraph. For example, this is your paragraph. ये आपका एक पैराग्राफ है. तो जो स्पेस दो लाइनों के बीच में दी जाती है उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? लाइन स्पेसिंग. एंड इफ line spacing is not clear, is not much, then it appears tight. और हम उसे पढ़ नहीं सकते. It is difficult to read. So what we used to do? We used to increase the space between the line. हम क्या करते हैं? लाइन के बीच का स्पेस को इंक्रीज कर देते हैं. So it will be easier to read the text. But it take more space on the page. If अगर हम टेक्स्ट के बीच में, लाइंस के बीच में स्पेस छोड़ेंगे तो ज़्यादा स्पेस लेगा पेज में. ओके, बट हम उसे इजी रीड कर सकते हैं. सो फॉर दैट यू हैव टू फॉलो द फॉलोइंग स्टेप्स. व्हाट आर दैट स्टेप्स? फर्स्ट, you have to insert pointer on the paragraph. जो भी कर्सर है, पॉइंटर है, आपको पैराग्राफ के ऊपर रखना है. Then you have to click on the line and paragraph spacing. Okay, so this is your sign of line and paragraph spacing. Here you have to click on this, that is your line and paragraph spacing in the paragraph group on the home tab. These all are in the home tab on the paragraph group. Then you will get a drop down menu with option 1.0, 2.0, 1.5, 2.5 like that. Now you have to choose one. You can put your pointer here, 1.1.5 like that here, and you can see how much space is there in between that lines. You can keep your pointer on the cursor on your paragraph. आप अपना कर्सर को पैराग्राफ के ऊपर रखोगे और ड्रॉप डाउन मेनू में सेलेक्ट करोगे. तो जैसे ही आप सेलेक्ट करोगे कोई भी एक ऑप्शन, तो वैसे ही आपका पैराग्राफ के बीचों का लाइन डिफरेंस दिखेगा. नाउ व्हाट यू वांट टू सेलेक्ट, यू कैन सेलेक्ट दैट ऑप्शन. लाइक हियर इट इज सेलेक्टेड 2.0 means double, that is your space is double between the line. You can see here the space between two line. Here we choose 2.0, that is your double spacing. If we डू नॉट चूज़ एनी थिंग मीन्स अगर हम कुछ भी चूज़ नहीं करते हैं तो डिफ़ॉल्ट सेटिंग क्या रहेगी हमारी, सिंगल स्पेसिंग. नाउ व्हाट इज़ डिफ़ॉल्ट वैल्यू? डिफ़ॉल्ट इज़ अ वैल्यू और एक्शन टेकन बाय द प्रोग्राम व्हेन द यूज़र हैज़ नॉट मेड अ चॉइस. जब तक हम अपनी कोई चॉइस वहाँ पुट नहीं करते हैं तब तक वहाँ का प्रोग्राम का एक डिफ़ॉल्ट सेटिंग रहता है. जैसे यहाँ पर क्या है, सिंगल स्पेसिंग. जब तक हम उसको डबल स्पेसिंग नहीं करेंगे या ट्रिपल स्पेसिंग नहीं करेंगे तब तक वो क्या रहेगा, सिंगल स्पेसिंग में रहेगा. फॉर मोर ऑप्शन यू हैव टू क्लिक ऑन द लाइन स्पेसिंग ऑप्शन. आपको कहाँ क्लिक करना है, लाइन स्पेसिंग ऑप्शन में क्लिक करना है. सो यू विल गेट द पैराग्राफ डायलॉग बॉक्स. ओके, you will get a paragraph dialog box. This type of box you will get. Okay, here it is given indent spacing, line and page break. Here you can select the line spacing, how much space you want, you can select it here. Like what is given exactly means this set the line spacing to an exact value. Okay, means whatever the point is there, whatever the difference is there, that will be the same, and we keep the point slightly one more than what we are doing. And multiple means, for example, if we choose 3 as multiple, here 1.25 it is given. If we choose here 3 means 3 times the height of the line, means there will be a, like double spacing is there, here there will be a triple spacing. Okay, now at least see here, you can see here line spacing option is there. In this option, Word will change the line spacing to fit text of different font sizes. Here, like here we have choose there exactly, multiple, and one more option is there, that is at least. And in this option, Word will change the line spacing to fit text of different font sizes that are on a line. But that spacing will not be the least value. वो उससे कम नहीं रहेगी, जो हम सेट किए हैं उससे कम नहीं होगी. Word will increase the line spacing if a line has text of point size greater than this value. अगर वो पॉइंट साइज ग्रेटर होती है हमारी वैल्यू से तो वो लाइन स्पेसिंग को इंक्रीज कर देगा. ओके, नाउ अबाउट द पैराग्राफ स्पेसिंग. How we are leaving space between the lines, same way here paragraph spacing is there. Okay, there here also in Word default space between the paragraph is there. Just now I told you what is the default setting. Here in paragraph also there is a default space between the paragraph. To change the paragraph spacing, first what you have to do, you have to place the cursor on a paragraph. Just how you are doing in a line spacing, same way here you have to place the cursor on the paragraph. पैराग्राफ के ऊपर आप कर्सर रखोगे. फॉर एग्जाम्पल आपको इस पैराग्राफ को लाइन चेंज करना है तो आप अपना कर्सर यहाँ रखोगे. ओके, आफ्टर दैट यू क्लिक ऑन दिस लाइन एंड पैराग्राफ स्पेसिंग in paragraph group on the home tab. After that you will get a drop down menu that opens. You will see option to add space before and after. Here you can see what is given, add space before paragraph and add space after paragraph, and this is the sign for adding space before paragraph and adding space after paragraph. You have to click on any one option to add space. Either you have to click on before paragraph or after paragraph. Any one option you have to choose here. And when there is a paragraph space between paragraph, the drop down menu shows option to remove the space also, and you can remove space by clicking this option. If you don't want any space before paragraph or after paragraph, then you will see one more option, that is your remove paragraph space, and if you don't want that space, then you click on that option. Okay, like here you can see one line is there, the paragraph is there, then space is there between paragraph, before paragraph. Okay, in this way you will see the space between the paragraph. And to set the exact amount of space between paragraph, you have to click on the line and paragraph spacing. Okay, here you have to click line and paragraph spacing in this option. Then again a paragraph dialog box will open for you, and then on that you click on लाइन स्पेसिंग ऑप्शन. आप किस में क्लिक करोगे? लाइन स्पेसिंग ऑप्शन में क्लिक करोगे. ओके, हियर देन व्हाट यू विल सी अंडर स्पेसिंग paragraph dialog box will be open for you. In that, under spacing you have two options, before and after, that is your add space before paragraph or add space after paragraph. Now you can set your values to change paragraph spacing. आप यहाँ पर अपने वैल्यूज़ को चेंज कर सकते हो कि आपको बिफोर पैराग्राफ कितना स्पेस चाहिए या आफ्टर पैराग्राफ कितना स्पेस चाहिए. इन दिस वे यू कैन सेट बोथ वैल्यूज़ फॉर योर पैराग्राफ. I hope you understood how you can leave the space between line and in between paragraph. That's all for today. Thank you.